Hi guys, I'm still in the village. So I'm going to take you a tour of this village. It hasn't changed a lot, but let me show you a tour and a few changes. I don't know. Let me tour around. It's the season for kupalilia, like preparations. People have already planted their crops. So guys, let me show you how it looks like here. I missed this environment. I must say, I missed this. You know, it's so fresh. The air is so fresh. Everything, but so different here. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. The last time I was here, the maize were a bit long. But now look at this. So much weed. Oh my. But the rains have been like all the rains were so much. So this time the people are going to harvest actually. So guys, this is our land. This is how it looks like. Everyone has a portion. Like this is for my brother, younger brother, this land. This one is for my sister. Elder sister. She hasn't prepared the dinner already. And this one, this is my mom's. This is mom's. Look at this maize. It's so healthy. You know, when there is rains, it's so perfect. So guys, and you can see Mira over there. Is it Mira Mogoka? We call it Mogoka here. But not, that is not our land. So let's go. Hava. So guys, it seems I don't have much time, so my cousins are coming for me. And so I have to go back. But before I go, let me show you something. I was told that that land, you see that land belongs to Indian. Muhindi. Let me show you. It looks like we have foreigners here. I didn't go. I wanted to go near that place, but that belongs to Indians. This land, you see. So guys, I wanted to show you where we used to fetch water. There is a river over there, down there. But next time I will show you guys on my, so because Christmas is coming and we have to come here, so I will take you through. Right now I have to go and say hi to my sister and her kids. So let me take you along guys, because it's quite a distance. But next time I promise I'm going to show you around with no rush. Those are our neighbors. Actually, the funny thing, I don't know people here, so so let's go. So guys, this is our home. I know you didn't live this in the village. You have to have this toilet. It's a bathroom and a toilet here. This is the toilet. This is the bathroom where people normally wash. You know, you know what the bathroom for. This is the flower or something. It scares the mosquitoes at night. We haven't managed to finish the house, so you have seen this house already. This is my brother's house, younger brother actually. And here, this is for the chickens. The chickens are not here yet. And we have another one. Look at this flower. So cute. And then again we have, you left this kitchen here. Here the men cook. Our second born, bro Mwane, you have seen him on my last video. In case you haven't watched my video, we went fishing with them. And my younger brother Jose here is in the kitchen. I know you didn't leave this kitchen actually. I don't know why they removed the other one, but yeah, they are trying to make another one here. Yeah, men in the kitchen. So yeah guys, that's it. I don't know whether there's something else which is new. Mami mbokera namba hiyo. So guys, I have to say kwaheri to this place. They didn't like that I left early, but anyway, we'll see them next month. You guys, did you know this was my mom's first house? This house here. Yeah, this was her first house. Then the one I showed you the last time, it was made of mud, you know. Yeah, she used to live here because you can see there is a toilet here and a bathroom. But yeah, so in case my brothers decide to marry, they can build here. Yeah, here and here. Because you see they have already started preparing. So that's it guys. Let's go. So guys, this is how our village looks like. It's so green. See, the mangoes are almost, yeah. So we are walking. Let's go. And what did it? So guys, I came here to surprise my sister. I'm the one who is surprised. She's not at home. Yeah, just the second born. Yeah, she was here. Yeah, they are not home. They went for a walk, I don't know where, and they left the phone, you guys. So yeah, that's it. I don't know whether we can look for them without the phone. It's hard. We don't know where they are. So I'll have to go back. Guys, meet my cousins. We have here
Joanne, Colleen,
Arnold,
Leona, and you? Yeah, and what's your name? Wawe. Yeah. Yani you are my cousins. I'm too old. Yeah, meet them. We're just here chilling. Look at this. You see the road is just there, guys. You can see the road to town. It's just there. So yeah, guys, that's the sugar cane. You see? It's just green as my mom's home. So yeah, that's how it looks here. Hi guys, so guys, I'm still in the village. It's around 5 p.m. yeah, and we are still here at my grandmom's home. Yeah, there's just stories. Then I don't know what time we are going home. So I just hope you enjoyed this short video. They came, picked me up from my mom's home, then we are here now. Yeah, so yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me enjoy some time here in the village, though we are going back and it's sad that the day has ended. Yeah, but the main reason we came here was to visit our auntie who is in the hospital, but you know, it's just 1 hour, but we couldn't go back after that. So yeah guys, so yeah, see you later guys, and bye.